Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix Rockstar Game Launcher not opening in Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go into our search bar and then search for settings. After that, click on open. And then we're going to click on privacy and security right here. So click on it and then click on Windows security. After that, in this part, just click on virus and threat protection. So click on it and then just scroll down right here and then click on manage settings, which is right here. So just scroll down once again and then you will see this exclusions. So click on add or remove exclusions and then just click on yes and then click on add an exclusion. After that, click on folder. And then in this part, what we're going to do next is to go here on our this PC. So click on this PC and then click your driver. After that, in this part, just look for Rockstar Games right here. But in my case, this is where it is located. Just click on the folder and then click on select folder. Once you do that, what we're going to do next is to close this and then close this once again. And then what we're going to do next is to open File Explorer once again and then click on open and then look for your folder once again. So what we're going to do next is to rename it by right clicking on it and then click on the rename button. After that, we're just going to put an underscore in the first name of the file and then click on enter. Once you do that, what we're going to do next is to go back and then run Rockstar Games Launcher as an administrator. So click on it and then click on yes again. And then after that, that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.